there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have a new product that we received from Amazon. We'll open it now with the kids. It's a surprise. Watch us. Hi guys and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have a package we received and we're gonna open it in front of you. I know it's something that belongs to two people here next to me, but I'm not gonna tell them, all right? So we're gonna open it and see how. You wanna open it, Ahmed, for me? Let's see.
There's a string that comes on every Amazon. Oof, it went off.
By Sakura HC.
But on my side, I can. Okay.
Do you see the string?
The string went off.
See the string?
Well, on my side, I can open it.
Can you see if you can open it?
It went off. Yes.
Okay. Ahmed, try to open it without using anything. Let's show me.
Oh, I found the string. I found the string.
I hope something belongs to you guys. Okay, let me try. Let me give it a try. Okay. I can use the scissor here. So I have a scissor, but guys, just take care. Just take care, okay?
After the Rain by Rex Lambo.
Don't come close.
I hope what it is. I don't know what it is.
Okay, let's see. Hold on, guys. No, leave your hand, please.
Night Out by Liquid.
But what if it's just gonna be a baby thing?
What's gonna be something that belongs to Baba?
No.
Okay, let's see.
Finally by Lock Speeds.
Okay, let me just try it from this way.
Yeah, that was easy. They don't need to put the right in.
Okay, move your hand, please.
Lovely by Amin Maxwell.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, good job. I'm stopping your
Bad Love by Noel.
Wait, guys.
What is that? What does we have?
Wait.
Excited?
I'm
Is this
Just
what
Good
you're
by
doing
Jody
for?
Grimes.
Guys, I found out how to open it. You just click this button right over here. You have to hold
Show it up on the screen.
Look. But you have to hold it if you want to open it when you...
Okay.
It has video games, so let's see which one I
All
should
Night
put
by
on.
Ixon.
Let me make a camera just so you
Okay.
Ooh, I like this.
So what it has? Okay, can you explain to them?
Yeah.
I Saw a Ghost Last Night by Lionel Casio.
So, usually I want to show you guys how to make this. On here, you just have to like
Call Me by Liquid.
take this off and do that. Now, like, if you can put it on 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, since like if it fits you or if it doesn't or yeah.
I don't need you to say
I'm
anything by
doing it,
Legang.
I have the first one. I'm doing the first one.
Do you want help?
No, I know how to do it.
Dreamland by Jonas Schmidt.
How you do it? Okay. So put it right over here, please.
I Miss You by Lovely.
Put it right over here. Oh, wait, maybe second, because that's mine.
Can you show them the properties on the watch?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that's what they're looking for, not looking how to
Funky
wear it.
Souls
Wait,
by Amaria.
let's see what they have here.
Just wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi. So you just flip it
Polaroid by
open,
Extend.
and then like there's like cameras, videos, and stuff. I put camera to show you guys.
Okay. What else?
Camera. There's video games.
Yeah, that's my picture.
Dreams by Fireflies.
Okay,
You're making a
wow.
video on a video.
Oh, how did you use it? Okay, how did
Okay, get off of it.
Let's see, back, no, options, delete, delete, back.
So hard.
What else is there?
Dolce
How can
Vita
I
by
use
K-Rouse.
it? You already know how to use it?
Yes.
How? Wait, let me see. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay,
that's
you guys
games.
want to see the games?
So let's see the games. Hey,
Ooh, this game looks cool.
Birds by Scandinavians.
Whoa, I like this. Oh my god. I lost. No. Oh my god.
Fantasy
so
by Declan.
there you
There's
can
a
change
lot.
it. This is one of the games.
Okay, now we don't want to play games. Okay. Well, I need to show you everything. Just close them and open them.
Lioness Instrumental by Dave
What you want? Okay.
What is that thing?
Clicking on the fire.
That's just a word.
All right,
Feather
guys.
by
So
Lowell.
Ragad is happy with her watch. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to what?
Like, subscribe.
Share and
Hit that
hit the what?
comment button.
The comment button.
It's hard to say.
No, hit that notification button.
Hit the notification button. Thank you. Have a good night.
There.
So now we go for the next item, which is, ooh, what is that?
A fitness tracker watch.
With You by
Fitness
Declan
tracker
DP.
watch. Let's move these items from here.
That was my idea.
That's fitness tracker watch. Wow, yes, salam,
Atlantis
yes,
by
salam.
Scandinavians.
Very nice. So it's called fitness tracker. Your body. There on the wrist on the wrist.
Good Morning by Amin
So what is
Maxwell.
all these colors?
Yeah,
All right.
So.
So
This one is black.
it's so iOS and Google. I mean iOS and
making-
Android can excite. Okay, here we have the manual,
Dream by
charger,
Lowell.
everything. Built-in USB charger. Whoa, cool. So, who's gonna read all this? That's a lot. Okay, so guys, let's read it fast.
Tropical Traveler by Dell.
Done.
What's that?
We read.
card?
Now we are intelligent. We just read it.
There's a card
Okay.
here. It says, sharing your happy shopping experience will be highly appreciated. Your
Silhouette by
satisfactory
Ghostrictor.
is our priority goal. If you have any problem with the unit, please contact us and our after sale team will stand by to assist you. That's what it says.
Hot Coffee
Thank you.
by Ghostrictor.
Oh, why is it shaking?
I think you opened it.
I did not touch anything. I didn't do anything yet.
I think you opened it.
Okay, wait. Let's see.
Yeah, you opened it.
So what is that? Pull the
Things That Keep Us Here by
band
Scott
of
Buckley.
the tracker and insert the built-in USB plug into a USB port for charging. So pull this. Wow, it's
Teddy
on
by
fire.
Locksmiths.
My watch
So
on
you're gonna-
fire.
So let's see if we can this one here and this one here.
Mosaic by Lahar.
Put it in. That's the watch. Wow, it looks so amazing, so great. Did that fit my hand? Hi, mamas. Wow, that's nice.
Your watch is cool.
Really, it is so cool. So cool, so cool. Let's see.
Spiral by KV.
So let's see how I'm trying to put it on my wrist. And
Coming Home by Liquid and Daybox.
let's see. Oh, so how it is, that's how it is. So we need to click on these buttons So this will count the steps. So I think we have to go
Followed
down,
by Dizarro.
down, not use, right? So it tells you the number of calories, the number of steps. So it doesn't tell me the calories, but basically when I walk, then it shows, right? So what it says in the manual.
River by Music by Aiden.
Let's see. All right, guys. So as I told you, just read the manual here and you know how to use it. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe,
First
share,
Class
like,
by Payrouse.
comment below so we can unbox new items with you guys on Unboxing Canada.